Hi guys, today we are going to show you matte black emblems from CarTrimHome. They go on top of the originals, and this way you black out the emblems. This particular set is for the XLE model, as you can see, but they also have sets for XSE as well. I'll show you. Our vehicle right now is actually LE, but because we have XLE set, what we'll do is we'll simply cut off the X and install it this way. So besides that, today we have alcohol that will be used to clean our surfaces. It's 99%, and that's what you need to use. And since it's not too hot right now outside, we'll be using the heat gun. You have to be careful, it gets very hot, so don't burn yourself. And shortly we'll show you the installation process. So first I will clean our badge and the area around it. You can also wash the vehicle before you do it, because this way you will have less stuff to clean. But you have to be pretty thorough and go in all of these grooves. This will make sure that the new emblem sticks properly. Same right here. Same process, and you have to repeat this with each of the emblems. We will start with the RAV4 badge. First you have to remove all red protective film. And now I will warm it up. One more thing, in summer, especially if your vehicle sits outside and it's hot outside, you actually don't need to do this step when it's 20 plus degrees outside. But in our case it's pretty cold, that's why we need to use it. What it'll do, it'll heat up this tape and it will stick better to the surface. So as I said, be careful with this gun, it gets hot really fast. So it won't take long for the film to warm up. Also, you can warm up the actual surface where it's going to. You can be careful not to overheat it as well, because you may damage the plastic. And now simply put it on top of the original, and right away it sticks really well. Apply some pressure and it's good to go. Here is the main emblem, same idea. Remove the tape and start warming it up. Apply the new one, new badge, and this is how it looks. Same idea, apply pressure. Two more badges go in the back, the hybrid goes on top like this, and the LE, as I said, we cut off the X letter and now we have simply LE like this. All-wheel drive badge goes on each side of the vehicle in this area. and two bigger hybrid emblems go on the sides as well. Okay guys, one more look. This is our RAV4 emblem, the main Toyota one, and here we have LE hybrid. As you can see, because we had to cut off the X, you can slightly see the chrome underneath, but it's hard to avoid it. In this case, we couldn't find the LE itself, we found the XLE. If you have XLE, it will work perfectly for you. If you find LE, that will be even better. Here you have the all-wheel drive emblem on the side of the vehicle, and the hybrid one on the side as well. Our installation is complete. Thank you guys for watching. As I said before, this set is available at CarTrimHome. I will leave the link in the description. Check it out, and we'll see you in the next video.